Hello, and welcome to my channel. We're all about wealth or finance management, new business ideas, quick tips to make your life better, or anything that can help you in your daily life. Click the bell button, as we're surely going to change the way you think about daily life or business. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 20 small online business ideas to make money online. 1. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is the process of buying directly from a supplier and reselling their product online at a lower price than the original retailer. There are tons of reasons to choose this option over traditional retail. You can avoid the high overhead cost of brick-and-mortar stores. You don't have to worry about overstocked products or inventory, and it can be much more cost-effective to get your product into customers' hands. 2. Sell a service. Selling a service online can be a tremendous opportunity for your business. You need to identify your target audience with some accuracy. Are they looking for services like yours? If so, what's special that they're searching for? What do they want? And also, how much do they want it? This information will help you determine how much your service will cost and what kind of marketing campaign you need to create that will drive customers toward your business. 3. Create a membership program. A membership program is a great way to get new customers and keep existing ones. It could be something as simple as a monthly subscription, but it can also include a variety of options to make it more attractive to potential members. 4. Virtual assistant service business. Virtual assistants are the new thing. The more you use them, the more you realize how much these services are in demand. And it's not just people who want to hire virtual assistants. Companies are hiring them too. Virtual assistants can help you with all kinds of things, from writing emails to managing your social media presence and more. 5. Start a blog and earn money. If you've ever wanted to start a blog and make money from it, congratulations! This is a wonderful idea for a couple of reasons. First, it's a great way to share your ideas and passions with the world. Second, if you can get a lot of people using your products or services, then you'll have an ongoing revenue stream that will allow you to live off the grid. 6. Make a food or a recipe blog. One of the best ways to make money on the internet is to write about food or recipes. Even if you don't have any cooking experience, you can still be a great writer and earn money from your blog. A food blog is a website where people share their favorite recipes and cooking tips. Food blogs are often sponsored by restaurants or other companies that offer free products in exchange for reviews on their site. 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the best, or should I say coolest, ways to make money online. It allows you to earn money by promoting other people's products or services, and it's a great way to build your own brand as well. It's typically done through the use of a special link that directs customers to the merchant's website. The affiliate marketer receives a commission from any sales made from their link. 8. Build an e-commerce store. Whether you're looking for a new career or just want to make some extra money, building an e-commerce store is a great way to go about it. You can choose from thousands of different services and products, so finding the best one for your needs can be a daunting task. Building an e-commerce store is a long-term commitment, but if you want to be successful in this field, you need to start right now. 9. Start a fashion blog. Fashion bloggers are some of the most intriguing people in the world. They're always on the hunt for new trends, and they have all sorts of crazy ideas about how to wear them. Fashion blogs usually span many different types of clothing, from high-end designer goods to thrift store finds. So it's important to find something that interests you. 10. Create a micro-job website. A micro-job website is like a tiny job board that you post on the internet. You can make money by offering your services and then charging people for their time doing the work. The best part about this kind of website is that it doesn't require much work at all. Just a few minutes per day to post jobs and collect payments. You can start with a free blog or forum where you write posts about your services and offer them for sale. 11. Become an SEO specialist. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of making your website more visible in search results. As an SEO specialist, You'll be helping businesses identify their needs and make sure they get what they need from search engines like Google. You'll also be working with clients to determine which keywords are most likely to produce results for their business, so that they can rank higher in search engines than any other businesses serving the same market space. 12. Buy and sell niche websites. Niche websites are the perfect way to make money online. They're often specific to a certain type of product and are designed to attract people who have a similar interest in that product. 13. Sell your photos on a website. Selling your photos on a website can be a great way to make extra cash, but it's not always easy. Here are some tips to make sure your photos are ready to sell. 1. Choose a high-quality product. 2. Make sure there's an easy way for people to buy the photo. 3. Provide more than one option for purchase on your site. 14. Become a WordPress developer. If you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash, then WordPress development might be the perfect job for you. The community of WordPress is one of the widest and most active in the world. It has over 30 million users and hosts over 3 million websites. The best part is that there are no specific or too difficult skills required to learn. You can just start by reading tutorials and learning how to use the software. 15. Become a video editor. Becoming a video editor is one of the best things you can do to get your career going. It's a high-paying, highly in-demand field with plenty of opportunities for growth, and you'll be able to make a name for yourself in your field. 16. Become a graphic designer. Becoming a graphic designer is a great career choice. There are many benefits to working in this field, including the ability to work from home, flexible hours, and the ability to work on projects that interest you and your clients. Being creative is an essential skill for any graphic designer. If you're not creative by nature, then this may not be the job for you. 17. Start a podcast. Podcasting is a great way to reach a wide audience and create a following for your brand. You can create shows that are specific to your interests and cater to those audiences, which will give you loyal customers who are interested in what you have to say. It's a way to share your thoughts, ideas, and stories with the world. It's like a radio show, except you can say whatever you want, so long as it's not illegal. 18. Buy and sell domain names. Buying domain names is a great way to earn some quick bucks. You have the option of buying domains from a variety of different sources. You can go through a domain broker, or you can look for domains yourself on sites like Namecheap or GoDaddy.com. Whichever route you choose, it's important that you understand what kind of domain name you want, so that you don't end up with something that doesn't fit your business model or your goals as an entrepreneur. 19. Become a YouTuber. Another great way to earn some extra bucks online is to start a monetized YouTube channel. YouTubers are people who have made their name by putting their own unique spin on things, and they're able to do that because they have something to say. 20. Become a lead generation expert. The first step to becoming a lead generation expert is to develop your own lead generation system. There are many ways to do this, but the most important thing is to figure out how you're going to convert those leads into clients. So these are our top 20 small online business ideas to make money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you'll love our other ones too. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our latest content.